Backpack. Oh, my bad, wrong channel, right? All right, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. In today's video, we're gonna take a quick look at the Petzl Bucket Bag, 30 liter, right? So, obviously, as you can see, it's on my back. I'm using it as a backpack, but you can also use it as a, just carry it by handles, which I will show right here, which it's got the two handles. You carry it like that. Most of the times what I do is I have my large camp 70 liter super cargo, and I'll carry an extra rope with me just in case. So I'll usually put this on my chest here, shorten up the straps, big bag, small little bag. But that's just me, right? I'm always a little bit extra, so I've been told. But if you're looking for a short little bag that you're just looking to put in 150 foot of rope, let's say you're running a Petzl harness, which is super easily collapsible, it could fit in this little bag, right? So what I've done is actually put my harness in here, right? I actually had to strip some stuff off because, you know. So I took some stuff off of it, and I have basically what I would use in a day, right? Rope wrench, hitch climber pulley, hitch climber carabiner, all that good stuff. Whether if I want to do moving rope or stationary rope system. The one thing I didn't put in here was my ascender or my friction saver, but knee ascender. And inside I have 200 feet of rope, FTC Enigma rope, which is this rope right here. I've been running it for a little bit. It's pretty solid. But this bag has been, I mean, I've been running it for a little bit, and I didn't think it was going to grow on me, but it definitely did, and it's become to be one of my favorites. I actually picked up a second one so I can just keep my stationary rope system line in there. But yeah, I mean, check them out. Petzl 30 liter bucket bag. It's short, it's not too huge. It's got the roll down tarp on the top too. The roll down flap, I should say. Clip. And now your rope isn't getting wet, your kit isn't getting wet. So I think this is a very, very stellar bag. Check us out at bartlettman.com. Visit us at bartlettman.com. Oh, I repeated that, right? Tony 2 times. I'm gonna go get the papers, get the papers. Those who've watched Goodfellas, you'll know where that's from. But visit us at bartlettman.com. Google us, Bartlett Arborist Supply. And don't forget to view the rest of our channel. Hit that subscribe and stay safe.